Just a couple of days ago, we were discussing about the leaks and rumors on Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A series phones, and there you go, they've already arrived in the house. Samsung's all new Galaxy A14 5G. Samsung has just launched this in the Indian market, and today we will be unboxing and talking about this phone. Galaxy A14 5G comes in this sort of box packaging, as usual, slim packaging. That means there is no travel adapter included. Main highlights of this phone are it offers like pretty decent features at an affordable price tag. You're getting a 6.6-inch Full HD plus 90Hz display, triple 50 megapixel camera is also there, 5000 mAh battery, and plenty of other specs. So that's it. There is nothing much mentioned over here. Without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. As usual, we've got the phone at the top, and not to miss out this accessory box hidden under the top cover. You get a SIM ejection tool over here, some paperwork, make sure to read that, and also a Type-C to Type-C cable is also included. That's it. These were the only stuff you get in the package. And there you go, boys, our brand new Samsung Galaxy A14 5G in the hand. It's available in 3 different colors. We have the dark red color today, and that's it. These are all the stuff you got in the package. So let me give you like a closer look at the phone and show you how this phone looks like. You might already know about Samsung's A series, right? Just below the S series premium level phones, and in that this is an entry level segment, guys. Galaxy A14 offers like premium level look and feel at a very affordable price tag. Doesn't look like a budget category phone at all. I mean, look at the whole look and feel over here. Love the color as well. Let me give you like a physical overview. Starting off from the front, you're getting a big 6.6-inch Full HD plus 90Hz PLS LCD display with a V teardrop sort of notch at the top. And talking about the selfie camera, you're getting a 13 megapixel selfie camera with an earpiece just above that. And moving over to the side, here's how the side profile looks like. Initial impressions, phone definitely feels a bit thicker. I think it's around like 9.1 mm in thickness, and you're getting your side mounted fingerprint scanner, volume rocker just above that. And going to the top, yes, you do have a secondary noise cancellation microphone. Really appreciate that, Samsung. And on the left, you're getting your SIM card tray. The phone has like a traditional SIM card tray and supports dual SIMs as well as a micro SD card. Going to the bottom profile, here you have your single downfiring speaker, Type-C port for charging, a primary microphone, and also your 3.5 mm audio jack is also available. And here's how the phone looks from the backside. Absolutely beautiful looking phone, guys. Doesn't feel like a budget category one at all. You're getting this premium level look and feel, complete flat back design. Actually, if you have a closer look now, it's got like fine textured pattern at the backside. Build quality feels quite solid. Body looks like it's entirely made of like polycarbonate material and has like a unibody design. At the top is where you've got the new camera layout. Just look at this, no camera bezel over here, just the naked camera modules protruding out of the body. Very premium look and feel. You're getting 3 cameras over here. Main one is a 50 megapixel camera, followed by a 2 megapixel macro camera, and lastly a 2 megapixel for depth sensing. And not to miss out, you're also getting a tiny LED flash. And lastly, talking about the battery capacity, I've told you, right, 5000 mAh battery on board and supports like your regular 15-watt charging. So that's it, our complete physical overview on it. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the phone, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. Phone is all set up and good to go. First, let me tell you about the comfort and the in-hand feel. It definitely has a big footprint, as you can see. Comes with like a 6.6-inch display, right? Yet feels quite comfortable in the hand because of this flat body design. And apart from that, phone weighs around like 205 grams, not that heavy also. Anyways, I've set up the fingerprint reader as well. It's got like a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Let's quickly put that to a test. Okay. Not bad, pretty decent, I'd say. But again, not the fastest fingerprint reader in the market, but still pretty decent, works most of the time, that too accurately. And this is how the display on the phone looks like. I've told you, right, comes with a 6.6-inch Full HD plus 90Hz refresh rate. Initial impressions, bezels do look a bit thick, especially on the top and the bottom. But again, hey, it's an affordable category phone, right? We can't complain much. But apart from that, overall display looks very nice, guys. You're getting the PLS LCD display, right? We'll come back to this and talk about the display quality in a moment. And apart apart from that, out of the box phone is running Android version 13 with One UI 5.0. Let me quickly head over to the settings and show you all the storage and all the RAM related stuff as well. So this is the 8 plus 128 GB variant, and out of the box, as you can see, you're getting around like 103.4 GB of free space available. Not to worry, you can even expand the storage using a micro SD card as well. And talking about the RAM, 8 gigs of RAM, and yes, you're also getting RAM plus feature, using which you can virtually expand the RAM up to 8 GB, guys. By default, you're getting up to like 4 GB. That is the default option selected. So that's it about the storage and memory section. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some videos over there, and just have a look at that. Then we'll talk about the display and the speaker quality on this phone. How much current bill does a tech YouTuber pay? The most infamous common question I keep getting a lot of times. Either it be from my friends, relatives, or even from you people, subscribers. I get a lot of comments, especially in those videos which I make on high-end gaming PCs or PC build videos, right? There you people comment like, Vimal bhai, how much current bill do you get when you have like multiple gaming PCs running at your place? We are like very curious to know. Okay, you guys saw the demo, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. If I had to tell, display quality is actually pretty good over here. You're getting a 6.6 inch 1080p PLS LCD display, right? That too with like a 90 Hz refresh rate. There's good amount of detail, guys. Everything looks crisp and clear. Look at the text over here. No matter what sort of application or website you're browsing, there's good clarity, and colors are also very good. Actually quite accurate and natural is what I can say. And apart from that, brightness is also pretty good. I had no issues even checking out the display in like brightly lit situations as well, not an issue at all. And overall dynamic range, white balance, everything were like on point. So far, guys, you'll be like pretty happy and satisfied with the display over here for this price point. And not only that, you're also getting like a higher refresh rate than standard, right? 90 Hz refresh rate. So everything feels quite smooth over here, like navigation, opening and closing of apps, and also a lot of other stuff feel buttery smooth over here. So that is one added benefit. And apart from that, talking about the speaker quality, you guys heard the sound also, right? Sound quality was also pretty decent. See, audio and display quality on Samsung phones is something you can never get disappointed with. So that is something I can definitely say. And same was the case with speaker quality. Speaker quality was very good, good clarity, minimum THD levels also, and audio output levels are also pretty good. A14 5G also has Dolby Atmos support when you're using earphones or headphones. So that is one more added advantage. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the CPU, right? The new Galaxy A14 5G is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1330 chipset, especially for the Indian market. 1330 is like a pretty decent chipset, guys. Definitely an upgrade over their last gen Galaxy A13. Last year, that phone came with like Exynos 850, and compared to that, here you'll definitely see like faster performance. And not only that, 1330 is also like slightly faster than MediaTek's Dimensity 700 also. So for day-to-day sort of usage, that is like more than enough, guys. Overall experience feels pretty smooth over here, like navigating, opening and closing of apps on the phone, everything feels quite smooth over here. And added to that, you're also having 90 Hz refresh rate, right? So I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters. And apart from that, if you talk about the gaming experience, yes, you can easily play most of the games, even including your PUBG BGMI also at default settings, which is smooth and ultra. You'll easily get like 40 FPS average aram say in these sort of games. If you still insist me to cover like a gaming related review video now, let me know and I'll definitely do that. Suggest me what sort of gameplays or gaming videos I should do on this phone, and I'll cover that in my full review video. So before we actually come to an end, now let me also quickly open up the camera app and show you how the UI feels like. So UI, everything is like pretty similar, guys. Most of the Samsung phones have same specs and same overall interface. It's got like a 13 megapixel selfie camera on the front, 50 megapixel triple camera setup at the back side. And talking about the video recording, phone can only do like 1080p 30 fps video recording. There is no 1080p 60, 4K is also not available. So these are some things you'll have to keep in mind. I did shoot a couple of sample pictures on this phone. What I'll do is I'll just show you some pictures right now, right over here. Just have a look at them. You'll get an idea on the image and sensor quality on this phone. So that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up, guys. So this was just like an unboxing and initial impressions on the phone. I still have to use this phone for a couple of days, and then only I'll be able to share my review video on it. And we haven't told about the battery capacity and all of that, right? So 5000 milliampere battery on board, and the company says that you'll easily get around like 2 days of battery on this model. Again, though, that is something we'll have to check out in real world, and I'll update that in my real review, guys. So stay tuned for that. Only thing, I'm not that satisfied is with the fast charging support over here. You're only getting like 15-watt charging. I really wish, brand should have given minimum of 25-watt fast charging, because there's a lot of competition in the market, right? But apart from that, if you talk about the overall design, or maybe like the display quality, even the cameras, everything feel like pretty reasonable at this price point. And coming to the pricing details, as of now, I am also not like sure about the pricing, because the phone was just announced, right? So we'll get to know about the pricing details very soon. I'll keep you guys updated in the comments and description box below. But if I had to take a guess, I'm assuming the phone might be priced somewhere around like 15 to 17,000 rupees. Let's see, I'll let you know about that soon. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about this model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.